Who are you talking to, Chris?
I'm talking to your dad.
Oh, who would that be?
Grandpa?
Oh. And did you ask him what he's doing?
Yes.
What did he say?
He said he's chilling out with Grandma.
He said he's chilling out with Grandma?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. And did you tell him what you're doing?
Yes.
What did you say?
I said I'm just chilling out at my house. Oh, Grandpa. You're just funny. You're just funny about it. No worries. Talk to Mommy. 1 second. Talk to Mommy.
Oh, thank you.
This is your dad.
Oh, thanks.